everything changes. Not everything is up to you in certain situation. And I always say God guides me. I, do my best and he does the rest. But that my best involves a plan. When it comes to finances, my best involves a plan. So for example, if your goal is to retire, you're planning to retire, when are you planning to retire? In 10, 20, 30 years? What is your plan? Now that over time is going to evolve. The retirement age 30 years from now to today is totally different. People are living longer, they're healthier, they're stronger. They realize that when they retire, they don't want to stop working. So that will affect your money plan, what you're doing. So long-term financial plan always works. But you have to take into account what your goals are, what your priorities are, what the circumstances around the plan are, what the values are, all these things that are subject to change. You take into account, but they're subject to change. So the key here, plans are evolving just like life is evolving. So you want to think more, you want to be able to save, so, and like I've told you, save with a purpose. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.